morning, everyone out there in YouTube land. 8-0 coming to you on October 25th, 2025. I'm here at George Rogers Park in downtown Lake Oswego, Oregon, and this is the smokestack of the former Oregon Iron Company that started in 1866, and this was the first iron manufacturer on the west coast of the U.S. at that time. So I'll just give you a quick look. There's access to the river, the Willamette River down here. Really nice little beach, and of course gorgeous fall colors here. Ample parking. It's a nice place to go. Over and out.